For some reason, I've always been drawn to the beauty of nature. The layers of mountains and valleys, the dense forest and calm rivers, the endless deserts and oceans. There's just something so magical about being in nature that it calms the mind amidst all the chaos in the city. In the city, we are often at the heart of the overstimulated world that we currently live in. It makes our minds constantly active and alive, looking for something to do next. Or perhaps some of us might feel like there's constantly so much to do that we retreat into procrastination. Wow. This is ours. This two, yeah, this is ours.
Which side you want?
Anything will do.
Okay.
Yeah, go on then. Wow.
Don't watch me squeeze in.
It's alright. Not too shabby. Oh shit, I can't squeeze through. Dude, my head barely fits.
Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, look outside.
And so, when I get the chance to travel, my mind just goes searching for places outside of the city, away from the noise. Perhaps you can call it escapism. For me, it's more than that. For me, it's about reconnecting with parts of the world that still flourish in their natural beauty. It's about appreciating what we have, things that people living in these parts of the world don't always get to experience. Even something as simple as the opportunity to travel, to move freely between cities and nature. And during these experiences, I find myself asking questions. How is it that people living in these rural areas seem to find joy, even without many of the privileges that we have? Is it because of the abundance that we live in that we are always searching for more, never quite content with what we already have? Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's good to always want more and to push ourselves to aim even higher. But maybe once in a while it's good to step away from what's familiar and to reconnect with nature. To remind ourselves that there are indeed other ways of enjoying life beyond what we were taught growing up. And at the same time, while chasing the ambitions that we have in our lives, to remember to be kinder to ourselves, to slow down, and to appreciate the simple things in life.